Okay, can you guys guess how many containers of filament we have in here? I kind of maxed out the Lucid Frunk to see what we could fit in a recent trip to Micro Center just a bit ago, and I found out that the Frunk is like the perfect spot to store this stuff, or to load it. It's going to take me several trips to get this all inside. Alright, so in the bottom we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You can probably get, you could probably get 25 in the bottom. 25 boxes of filament in the bottom row. So conceivably you could get like 50 boxes of filament in the Frunk. What do you think, Jethro? That's pretty awesome, isn't it? We can get a lot of material in there. Yeah. What do you think about that? You like that? We could make lots of stuff for Jethro. So, you just want your ball? Go get it.